everyone! Today I want to talk about healthy eating. I think eating healthy food is very important for us to be strong and have lots of energy.
For me, vegetables and fruits are definitely good for your health.
I always try to eat a lot of green vegetables like broccoli and spinach. They have many vitamins and minerals that help my body grow.
I also eat a lot of fruit every day, such as apples, bananas, and oranges. Fruits are sweet, juicy, and give me natural energy.
Besides vegetables and fruits, fish and eggs are also very healthy.
Fish, like salmon, has good fats for our brain.
And eggs have a lot of protein to make our muscles strong. And of course, we should drink plenty of water every day to stay hydrated.
I try to avoid unhealthy foods like too much candy, soda, or fast food because they have too much sugar and fat, which are not good for my body.
When I eat healthy food, I feel very energetic, active, and happy.
It helps me focus better in class.
And feel more confident. It helps me play sports well.
So, healthy eating is super important for a good life. Fuel your body with good food.
And feel amazing every day.
You got this.
Hello! I think eating healthy food is very important. For me, fruits are super good for your health. I try to eat fruit every day, such as strawberries, pineapples, and mangoes.
Fruits are delicious and give me lots of natural energy.
They are also full of vitamins.
And of course, I drink plenty of water every day to stay hydrated. I drink plenty of water every day to stay hydrated.
I try to avoid fizzy drinks like soda because they have too much sugar.
When I eat fruits and drink water, I feel very refreshed and light. It helps me stay healthy and active for school. So remember, healthy choices make you feel amazing. Stay active, stay healthy.
Hi everyone! I think healthy eating is very important for growing strong.
I always try to eat a lot of protein, like chicken,
And eggs, because they make my muscles strong.
My mom cooks healthy meat and fish for me every day.
I also make sure to eat lots of vegetables, like carrots.
And tomatoes. They are full of vitamins.
I try to avoid too much candy and chips.
because they are unhealthy. When I eat healthy food, I feel very strong
And ready to play sports well.
It helps me concentrate in class too. Healthy eating gives me power.
Yeah, power.
This is way better than soda. Totally, so refreshing and packed with goodness. I feel so energized today.
Me too, ready for anything after a good breakfast.
healthy food really helps me focus in class.
Definitely. No afternoon slump for us. Eating well truly gives me power. It's like a superpower for our bodies. So remember, healthy eating is super important.
Eat well, feel great, and live your best life.